Underwear stinks. Traveling with it stinks. Having to pack one pair of underwear for every day you travel and putting it all in the same bag makes everything stink. What if you could travel the world with just one pair of underwear? Now you can with Herculeon. At Herculeon, we believe that traveling the world while staying fresh should be easy to do without baggage. Introducing Fjord self-cleaning underwear. You can travel the world with one pair of underwear. No more stink, no more smells, no more worries. Imagine the places you'll go, the experiences you'll have, and joy of returning home with all of the memories and none of the smell. Herculeon. Never stop adventuring.
Two years ago, we set out to change the way backpacks are used. We redesigned everything. Every seam and buckle, and we released Joey. And you loved it. All your support inspired us to challenge ourselves even further. So we started thinking about today's wallets. Let's face it. Wallets are either bulky and uncomfortable, or way too minimal. So we came up with something new. It combines handcrafted traditional materials with an innovative design. Meet DJIN. DJIN has just 2 compartments. You can access everything you need in one swift motion. The stainless steel clip can hold 10 cards, 20 bills, or any combination of the two, so there's no wasted space. Coins? DJIN has a pocket that holds everything, from coins to keys to USB sticks. We've also given DJIN a concealed drawer for the small items you need to keep safe. Oh, and once again, we've got your back. DJIN comes with an RFID blocking card, so forget about your information being stolen. Everything about this wallet is thin and light. We make it out of leather or microfiber, so you can choose the style that's right for you. DJIN is tiny, but it's got room for everything you need. Every day, everywhere. This is our second campaign, and once again, we're ready for production. We just need your support to make it happen. From our whole team here at Koala Gear, we want to thank you for bringing DJIN to life.
S1 Smarlock has various unlock methods. It is safe and convenient. You can unlock the lock easily with the light touch. Your smartphone is your key. If you don't have a smartphone, enter the password using capacitive touch mode. Then you can safely lock and unlock the door. You can even ask Alexa and Google Assistant to unlock your front door. When you leave, S1 will lock the door automatically. It's like your personal doorman. When the cleaner comes to clean the house, just send him or her a temporary electronic key with time window to access. The app will send you push notifications to tell you when the door opens. You can also access the lock opening records at any time. You can create a secure dynamic key for your friends or even Airbnb guests. When the strangers try to guess the door password, the screen will be disabled due to the wrong password guess. You'll receive an alert reminder through the app as well. There is a physical key for the lock in case you need. Wireless installation, simple and fast. S1 offers 3 different versions for different lock types for different doors worldwide. S1, redefining smart lock. It is safer and more convenient.